Welcome to our new episode. In this video we will talk about Vue.js components. So let's dive in. As you can see, we have a really nice layout which I've taken from Tailwind UI. It's a really great platform if you need a quick layout and you don't want to waste time building it. It offers, I think, 500 plus components that you can use. Most of them are paid, but I think they offer a free version in every category, and it also supports React, Vue, HTML, and in this example I'm using the call to action sections and I'm exporting it for Vue, and if you click on this button it will give you the code. So yeah, like I mentioned, it's a really great platform and make sure you check it out. Now let's get back to our project. If you take a look at our code, you can see that everything is hard-coded, and let's say I wanted to use this button again, this code here, then I would have to copy this HTML, which is not ideal, and we can use components here. So components will allow us to split our code into independent and reusable pieces, and each of them will have their own custom content and logic, like this app component. So let's try to extract these buttons into their own components, and we can name them primary and secondary. So to create a new component, let's go to our components folder and create a new file. It's a community convention to name your components in Pascal case, so we will follow this convention. So let's create a template tag and extract our code for the primary button. Now it's done, we can import our primary button. Now that we have imported it, we can use it in our template, and we are using our button as a component, and since we don't pass anything inside our tags, we can make it self-closing and it will work the same. Now let's repeat the same process for our secondary button, and since I'm using PHP Storm, I will create it this way. And it will give me a boilerplate, but for now we don't need any of it. And let's repeat the same process. Button, and now we can use it in our template like so. Yeah, now if we want to use this primary button, we will just, instead of this whole HTML, we can just use this component. And yeah, that's it for this video. We will talk about components later in the series. Yeah, so that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one.